Hey everyone, welcome back to the Shopify app dev series. In this video, we are going to build a complete product manager for Shopify using Remix, Polaris, and the Shopify GraphQL admin API. We will cover creating, updating, deleting products, plus search, pagination, and toggling product status, all in one smooth UI. Let me give you a quick demo of what we have built. If I go to the products, here is our product dashboard. I can search by product title, for example, yellow wool jumper. If I search, and I will get that product, and if I remove everything and then search, I will go back to the dashboard again, and I can edit the product status. Right now it is active. I can change to draft, and now the status is changed and also the batch is changed. I can also delete the product. If I press delete, it will ask me, are you sure you want to delete this product? If I'm sure, I will press delete and it will be deleted in few seconds. The product is deleted. Operation successful message. And in the end, we have load more button. If I press load more button, more products will be loaded over here. As you can see, load more, and the next products are coming over here. So let me give you the walkthrough for the code. For the products, I use this query, get products, and I get all the IDs, title, description HTML, and this is my get product function where I will search query and we will get the first 10 products. Then we will fetch more products with the pagination, and finally we return the products, and we also return the next page cursor, and if we have next cursor, we will pass over here yes, true, false. So this is how I fetch the product. And search by title, we added a field over here in the product card above not in the product card, in the app.products, we added this field, this text field, and we add the value of the search, and then we submit. And on submit, we handle search submit, and once this function is called, we set the search param, and we search the specific title product with the specific title. And in the edit model, when you click to edit, it opens a model with the current title, description, and status, which is coming over here in the pop-up over here in the model. And here we change the status. On change, we set the status, and if I go here, and here is the product status, and we also change the model status, and then we have delete product model. Okay, this is the delete product model, and we set the delete model open false on click, and confirmation, this is the title and this was the confirmation message, and after that we set the toast based on the operation. And finally, the pagination, we are using Shopify cursor based pagination over here. And after each fetch we check for the has next page, this one, and show a load more button if more products are available. So every time we update or delete, we show a toast message using Polaris toast, which fade out automatically, which is coming over here. So to recap, we build a fully functional Shopify products manager with create, update, delete, and search pagination and status toggle using Remix, Polaris, and GraphQL. This is a solid foundation you can reuse in any Shopify custom app. I'm going to push this code on the GitHub repo, so you can easily download the code and you will have the idea how I did that. So I will name it full product manager, and I will hit commit and push. So this code is pushed to GitHub repo. You can download and you can check all these files: app.products, product card.tsx, and Shopify queries, and you will have solid understanding how I did that. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.